Hi Alexa, how are you today?
Good.
Is this your sister?
Yes, sister.
Hi, I'm Katie.
Hi Katie, it's nice to have you with us. Today we're going to be working on supported conversation through verbal cues, gestures, writing, and the use of a resource book. Katie, it's important for you as a communication partner to make sure your sister understands the topic and the question at hand before requesting a response from her. You're there to ensure that Alexa has a way to respond to the topic. Some ways you can help her are the use of yes or no questions, gestures, writing, drawing, and the use of a resource book like this one. It's important to give her enough time to respond to your prompting. And examples of using gestures could be a thumbs up or thumbs down, shaking your head, nodding, and also pointing. Alexa, we want to make sure you have a way to express your thoughts, and you can choose which response method works best for you. Okay, so Alexa, I'm going to practice some yes or no questions, gestures, and drawing with you. And Katie, I'd like for you to observe how we interact, okay? All right. So, Alexa, do you have any plans this weekend?
Yes. I soccer.
Okay. So, did you mean soccer?
Yes.
Okay. So you're going to be watching a soccer game?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Your son's soccer game?
Yes.
Your
Grandson.
Grandson?
Yes.
Okay. So your grandson.
Yes.
Okay. So how old is your grandson? Is he less than 10 years old?
Yes.
Is he 9 years old?
No.
Is he 8 years old?
No.
Is he 7 years old?
Yes.
Okay, so your grandson's 7.
Yes.
Okay, well that sounds like a lot of fun. All right, so Katie, this is one way of helping Alexa express herself with the help of you as the trained professional, not professional, but communicator. These are good techniques, but the use of a resource book may prove to be faster once you're comfortable using it. This book has pictures, words, and different tools that allow you both to express what you have to say in a way that both of you can understand. If you look at this page, you can see it has a range of emotions, and you can point to explain how you feel. And on this page, it has a list of necessities that you may need, such as water, bathroom, or food. And on this page, it's labeled as family. And you will have to take the time to write down different family members' names in this one. And it's the same for this one, as labeled hobbies. We want this book to be as specific to you. So does this make sense to you both?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Do you have any questions about the book?
I think we have a pretty good understanding of it.
All right. Well, Alexa, just to be sure, let's do an example. Let's say that Katie asked you what you would like for lunch. So what you could do is go to the page that's labeled food, and you can point to whatever you'd like. So if the food item isn't on here, then you can use a pad and paper like the one that I used with you, and you can write down what you want, or you can use a drawing to explain what you would like. You can also write down the first letter it begins with, or you can actually use on this page, it has a list of the alphabet on it, and you can point to the letter that it starts with. All right. So, if the item isn't here or in the book, you can also, there's a few pages in the back that you can write different things that you're going to be asking for a lot. But that was a pretty simple example. It applies to a lot of other situations too. For example, if you have someone that asks you what you did that day, you can just go to this page, which has a different list of verbs, and you can explain it that way. Or you can go back to the hobbies page, and you can show them that way that what you did. But Alexa, once you point to something, Katie, you need to be very sure to repeat the word and verify and ask questions to confirm that you understand what Alexa is saying.
Okay.
Okay. So I've been doing a lot of talking. Would you two like to practice using it?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, what should I ask?
Well, if you think you're comfortable with it, then you can ask a more difficult question, but really anything's fine.
Okay. Well, I'm going to the store tomorrow, so do you need anything from the store? Here's food. soon.
I think one thing you could do to help minimize a little confusion is say how many, if she says yes, she does need things from the store, ask how many items she needs, and then you can list them off from there.
Okay. Alright, so how many items do you need? 4? Okay. 4. Alright, so let's start with the first one. What do you need?
Eggs.
So eggs?
Yes.
Okay, good. So let's see. Eggs and what else? Can you point to another one? Bread?
No.
No? Can't any other that you think? Milk?
No.
No? What should I do?
Well, in this, you could actually go and on this page, it has the different alphabet letters.
Okay.
And do you know what letter it starts with? What you need? Okay.
C?
Yes.
Okay, so should I guess?
Yeah, you can guess.
Okay. Do you need coffee?
No.
Cheese?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
All
So-
right. Well, good job. That was actually, you guys will get more comfortable with it once you use it more, but that was a basic scenario that you guys will be using. So, all right. Well, very good. You can take this resource book home and you can practice and add specific things to it. I would recommend taking it in public with you to aid your communication. So, the more practice you get, the better. But please bring it to therapy from now on. So, all right. Well, good job today and thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you.